There's no heaven for a thug, and there's no love for a thug.
It's just me, careful. And I have acquaintances, I might have soldiers beside me, I might have comrades, just people, you know, the ones that stay true to that.
Back in the old days, niggas was suckers, tried to belittle me, but that was when I was much smaller, just a little G, but now I'm just a bigger baller. Niggas don't wanna see me because I'm larger and taller. Man, my money is bigger, bank account is larger. Niggas don't wanna see me, they label dog the father. When they see us on the streets, niggas scream peace. They don't want it cause they screaming they can't see me. You heard the album, well I'll be right there, homie. What's up, baby? You looking crazy like you don't really know me. I know you heard the album, I ain't mad at you. So move closer, big baby, let me stab at you. You know the rules, big Pac in this motherfucker. Don't look at me crazy cause baby I'm with the mother suckers. This thug life, baby, outlaw immortals. I thought I taught you, baby, we don't do it but we fought you. And when we did, we beat you ass niggas in the streets to the motherfucking studio. Sounding like Phil Collins singing studio, you niggas is
I just want to move forward, y'all, for real. I'm tired of the same old.
I ain't afraid to die, wanna see what's after this. They wanna ban me for trying to beat my family. I ain't afraid to die, wanna see what's after this. I'm drinking 22s and brews till I'm tipsy. I ain't afraid to die, wanna see what's after this. I'm living blind, writing rhymes, willing to capture this. If I die, let the world understand why. Searching my eyes, hate to see a black man try. Them niggas know I suppose they froze once they see me in the dog. Doing clothes in the videos, bitches pause. We all up in them drawers, baby, you know the secret. I got to keep it money, paper, some bitches, my only model. Drink out the cold 40 barrel, my dog. You know these niggas is false. Now me and Snoop came up and built our name up. Bitches thought they had us close, but bitch, I got my game plus. I'm a motherfucking baller, alcoholic. You can ask my homie K. He'll tell you, I've been ballin' since around the way and eating. Had a baby, he's needy, but he's crazy. Got these niggas running wild from his fucking creation.
Somebody that my mom could be proud of, somebody that another black person my age could be proud of.
Was a kissing booth. Taste breakfast, lunch, and gin and juice. And at dinner, just like dessert too. And when we French refresh, give me two. When I bite that lip, come get me two. He want lipstick, lip gloss, hickeys too. Kiss me more. We're so young, boy. We ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, oh. It's just principle. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way you move. Oh, oh. That you lost without me. All my bitches feel like I dodged the county. Fucking with you feel like jail, nigga. I can't even exhale, nigga. Pussy like holy grail, you know that. You gon' make me need bail, you know that.
1, 2, 3 into the folks. Snoop Doggy Dogg and Dr. Dre is at the door, ready to make an entrance, so back on up.
Cause you know we're about to rip shit up.
Give me the microphone first so I can bust like a bubble. Compton and Long Beach together, now you know you in trouble. Ain't nothing but a G thing, baby. Too low death niggas, so we're crazy. Death Row is a label that pays me. Unfadable, so please don't try to fake it. But back to the lecture at hand. Perfection is perfected, so I'ma let them understand from a young G's perspective. And before me dig on a bitch, I have to find a contraceptive. You never know, she could be earning her man and learning her man, and at the same time burning her man. Now you know I ain't with that shit, Lieutenant. Ain't no pussy good enough to get burned while I'm offended. Yeah. And that's realer than real deal, Holyfield. And now you hookers and hoes know how I feel. Well, if it's good enough to get broke off a proper chunk, I take a small piece of some of that funky stuff. It's like this and like that and like this, and it's like that and like this and like that, and it's like this and like that and like this, and Drake creep to the mic like a fan.
Well, I'm peeping and I'm creeping and I'm creeping, but I damn near got caught, cause my beeper kept beeping. Now it's time for me to make my impression felt. So sit back, relax, and strap on your seatbelt. You've never been on a ride like this before, with a producer who can rap and control the maestro. At the same time with the dope rhyme that I kick, you know and I know I flow some old funky shit. To add to my collection, this selection symbolizes dope. Take a toke but don't choke. If you do, you have no clue of what me and my homie Snoop Dogg came to do. It's like this and like that and like this, and it's like that and like this and like that, and it's like this. And who gives a fuck about?
These niggas is still fucking talking? You niggas still breathing? You fucking roaches? Alright, it's the rave of the cockroach. All day. Baby, punk motherfucker. This is it. Illuminati style, outlaw lifestyle. Solo shit. Bring it. Allow me to introduce first. Machiavelli the dawn. Spiritual lyrics like the Holy Quran. Niggas get shook like 5-0. My 45 plus next to me when we ride for survival. Money making plans, pistol closing hands, rolling pockets. Let me introduce the topic, then we drop it. Expose snakes as they breathe freely. See me ride, located worldwide like the art of graffiti. I think I'm tougher than nitty, my attitude shitty. Holding the dope fiend's titty. In every city you find me, look for trouble right behind me. Outlaw niggas down to die for me. Nah, me. I hit the scene, niggas ducking from my guillotine stare. I'm right there, my every word, a fucking nightmare. Get me high, let me see the sun rise and fall. It's for my dogs down to die for y'all. Extreme venom, no mercy when we all up in them, cut them down. To hell is where we send them, my whole team, train to explode, ride or die. Murder motherfuckers lyrically, and I'm not gonna cry. Me, a born leader, never lead a block without my heater. Two big pits, I call them my bitch nigga eaters. And I don't whip until I'm gone.